Hello and welcome back again, my friend. This is Thomas with you again in another video in Bitcoin price prediction. So we came back to you, my friend, and as you see here, the weekly candle is finished. So it needs to indicate to us something here, that candle, that one. We finish it today, and as you see, the volume of it down, it's indicating something, my friend. Me personally, I think the market is going to go up now, but let's wait in the next week what is going to tell us, because till now there is nothing confirmed yet, my friend. So as I told you, my friend, there is nothing confirmed yet. That investment that not just came and put your money there like gambling. It's need the next week to come like that and to show you here a green candle here to confirm for us the market it will going upward here to the 200 moving average here. So we need to make a close eye at the next week. Yes, till now a lot of things they showing us we are going to go up, but let's see in our indicator what it telling us for the picture to be more clear. Our indicator, as you see it, my friend, what indicating here, if you remember what me I told you before, if you see it here our indicator is showing us we are at the oversold area. So make a close eye at those things, and even here as you see it like that, also we are in a very stronger zone. And I told it to you before that indicator when he enter here at the oversold area, it's a very highly chance the market will going up. But now what we need to wait in, we need to wait in the market to give us here like a W like that. That is going to be a very good opportunity for you to buy, my friend. I think the market is going to go higher now. Let's wait in next week and coming news what the market going to do about it. I think everything is too clear, my friend, because even in the DXY or US dollar index, it's showing in the top now a divergence, and I think it's going to fall down. By the way, if you want to see it, you go into our weekly forex forecasting. We make the analysis for the DXY. I think it's going to fall down, but not yet, still time. If you are an investor, you can decide now. You don't know what's going to happen to the market. Everything is too clear here. And let's go in now to the Fear and Greed Index to see what is it there. The Fear and Greed Index, my friend, as you see it, and if you've been someone with us for some time, what else we said you got here two levels here between 20 and 5, and another one here in the top between 60 and 45 like that. And as you see here, when it touches here, it's showing now a rejection. It might that rejection is going to stay like here. That's why I told you we need a confirmation the market is going to go up. So till now there is nothing confirmed yet, my friend. Make a close eye at those things. I'm giving you a lot of things now is indicating the market is going to reverse, but till now nothing confirmed yet, my friend. Till now nothing confirmed. As I tell it to you, till now nothing confirmed. Everything is too clear. And here that indicator I showed it to you before. If you've been someone who been subscriber with us for some time, that indicator I tell you that one, it show you the whales shadow. So let's zoom it a little bit like that. As you see here down, there is some wells they sold, like how they sold here. So let's zoom it and see for the date to be exactly like that. As you see it, my friend, the first time when they sold here 28th of August, and they sold yesterday in Friday 2nd of September. So make a close eye at those things I'm telling you, my friend. It's going out to the chart to show you where they sold those people or those wells. But the only thing, that was me being telling you, not big volume as you see it, not like 28 they being big volume here they selling. Now very small volume or small, they don't sell a lot, let's make it like that. It's going now to the chart to see those candles 28 and 2nd of September, what they telling us in the chart. Here we are in the daily, my friend. Let's zoom it. Here is it 28th of August, my friend. Is it here at that candle here, that one, that when they sell. So as you see it, they start selling from here till here, 3 days of selling. So big whales they came out that day. And another day we said the 2nd of September, is it that one, my friend? Here, that candle, that one here was showing like a pin bar, it's pushing down. So there is two candles here, the whales they selling them. The first one, is it that one? Here, that candle here, they try to break in that level. That was me I told you here. And the last one, is it the one here? When it came to that level here, they pushing the price down. But over here, even them they pushing down, there is big buyers they enter into the market here in that level, as you see it, because I tell it to you all those things before. I tell you people they put in pending orders. And today, my friend, as you see it, that candle here, that daily candle, it's finished, that one. But the volume of it, there is not big volume indicating that the market is going to go upward. So what now you need to do, my friend? It's very simple. When it's going to come a day, the market is going to change. It will not come just one candle, then the next to it is going to come red like that. It's going to come first candle green and next to it a green candle, indicating the market it will go upward. Till now there is nothing confirmed yet, my friend. I tell you all those things before. Yes, you are here in a very stronger level, and I tell you all those things before. I tell you here you got a very stronger supply and demand zone here where is the market touch, but till now there is nothing indicating that the market will change its direction, my friend, yet. And actually here it give you here like a small triangle now like that, and like that you can make it the way how you want, or a flag, or name it whatever you want. So that is indicating the market is going to go down more. So let's wait in the coming days what it's going to tell us, my friend. As I tell it to you in the weekly, it's showing us there is a reverse. But look here, look at that zone here. When it happened real reverse here, what's happening here? Look at the volume here, how big it is. Even the green one, it's spiking very big there. But look here, there is no big volume down, my friend. All the volume actually, is it in the same level here? Look at it. All the volume, is it in the same level? Where it's breaking here. Where is that candle? When it started here falling, that candle here will break or push the price down. So it's like that. You need to learn how to trade, my friend. Till now I think the market is going to head for another crash. That's my view to it, because till now there is nothing is indicating the market is going to change its direction. Let's see our chart, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our chart, my friend, as you see it, also we still have here that trend line, that one with white. That one is a long-term trend, and that's what also we said in the previous videos. If you remember, we said that one here, that white one, is a very long-term trend, and it's acting here like a resistance. As you see it, all those times it's acting like a resistance. Yes, now it came that pin bar, but that pin bar, it needs to come a candle and to close above that trend line here. If it doesn't close above it, also we are not going to go. We are not going to enter, my friend. Till now, also we are in a downtrend. It's very clear downtrend. Look at that. Give you here a low, he retrace here, another low. Now he retracing here is going to give you another low, my friend. So make a close eye at those things. Everything is in front of you, my friend. Nothing hard, nothing complicated, my friend. By the way, if you are not a subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification. Also, every day we put in 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin, my friend. So like that, you're going to be notified every day, my friend. Everything is too clear. You subscribe, and you, if you be a subscriber with us, smash the like button. We want that video to reach at least 40 likes. Help us to growing up more that channel. You done it? Let's continue, my friend. Let's see our indicators for what the same for the picture to be more clear to you. That one here, that indicator of us, as you see it, let me zoom it. As you see it, my friend, what it's indicating there, it's indicating here, it's still here orange. It hasn't become red. It needs to become red here for you to enter long. So that's why me I told you there is no entry yet. It's still more, it's going to fall down more than that. It's our other indicator for the picture to be more clear to you. That one here, if you see it and you're making a close eye with me here, what me I'm trying to show you here, look at it here. When he came, he touched here, look what he done for you. As I show you that in the previous video, but now that just a sideways for another crash, my friend. It might from here doing one other scenario. Let me show it to you. It might from here go back, touch here, that trend line here. Then after that it will go in upward, but that just a small scenario because that trend line is not stronger. Is it just as we draw it now because of that level here. So you need to make a close eye at those things. So when is something new happening, you're going to find it here in the channel. To be notified is very easy. Just subscribe down and turn the bell notification to all. So when also we put in a new video, you're going to be notified, my friend. You done it. Let's continue it, my friend. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what is it there, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in the 4 hours, my friend, what we said before, like that. We said we got here a trend line. It's been broken here in that zone. The market, it came upward till here, till that zone here. Then he came down. He touched the trend line here. He stayed ranging here. Now he's showing now here a rejection here in that zone here. But till now nothing confirmed, my friend. Why? Because me and know, as someone who been in the market for a long time and know when there is a trend line, it need to give you like that. That's a break. You need to retrace like that, but he need to come upward and to break for me the last high. Here, that's the last high. The last high, is it that one here? Yes or no? Now what the market doing to you now, my friend? Look at it very, 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 very close here. What the market doing here? It hasn't came back to break that last high here. And what did I told you in the previous videos, my friend? Let me those ones that to show it to you. I told you here like that. You got here down a supply and demand zone, and here in the top another supply and demand zone. Look at it now, it's very clear. I told you the Bitcoin is going to stay ranging here for some time. Look how many times now. 1, 2, here another one, and here. How many times those ones? 1, 2, 3, in the top 3, and down is it 4. Now what my view to it is going to go to make the fourth one, my friend. After the fourth one, we're going to say where it's going to break, because every time that's how the market doing. Every time 4 times when is it ranging or sideways, then the 5th time he breaking either up or either down. So make a close eye at those things, me I'm telling you, my friend. So let's see now our indicators, what they saying for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. That one, as you see it, my friend, it's still here at the oversold area. So as I tell it to you, it might from here is going to go back inside, and that one in the chart is going to go lower. So make a close eye at those things. Everything is too clear. Let's see our other indicator for the picture to be more clear to you. That one here, if you remember what else we said about it, we said we used to have here a trend line like that. It's been broken here in that zone. Then he came back at the state again. But look now what it's giving you here in the chart, my friend. You see it or not? Me zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you. I try to zoom it like that for everyone to understand what else we're talking about. Here, it's indicating, my friend, you got here like a triangle like that. For a wage, the names doesn't matter, my friend. Most important to learn how to trade. Now you need either to come down and to break for us down here, to go back to touch the divergence trend line, or to come upward and to break for us that level here, and also to move from the control of the bears to the control of the bulls. Till now there is nothing confirmed, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let's go in now to 30 minutes to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you. Today we are not going to go to 30 minutes, my friend. We are going to go to 1 hour, and I'm going to tell you why we go to 1 hour. Look with me very, very, very close here. What's happening here, my friend? Look at it. You see what I'm seeing or no? By the way, the candle is near to finish. Here, look, put the market down for you here. It came here to the 200 moving average. Then it came that red candle indicating the market is going to fall down. The only difference here, sorry, let me show it to you like that. What you see in here? That green candle here, it came with big volume like that. And even that red candle has got a big volume, my friend. So you need to make a close eye at that 200 moving average if it's going to be broken up or no, my friend. The volume down, it's showing there is a big things happening now, as you see it here in 1 hour. But the 200 moving average, it shows that is going to be a resistance. Everything is too clear, my friend? Yes, me, I show it to you in the previous video. What did I told you? I told you, you got here in that zone, you got here a trend line like that, as you see it. It's an up trend line, and you can even draw here a channel like that, as you see it. It's an up channel, my friend. The market is going up. But till now, you need to make a close eye at that level here. If it's going to fall down to touch it here, then after that, it's going to come upward to break for all that 200 moving average. But if it's break it tomorrow, and tomorrow is Monday, it's going to be just a fake breakout, my friend. Because Monday is always happening against what the market is going to do. If the market is going to fall down, Monday, the market, he will do like that. Then after that, he will fall down. Remember my word. Me have been in that market for long, my friend. I know what I'm talking about. Everything is too clear, my friend. It's our indicator for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see here, my friend, in our indicator here in 1 hour, it's showing here we are in the middle. I mean, it's still for it more room to go up till the overbought area, my friend. Remember those things, my friend. It's still for it more room to go to the overbought area, my friend. Everything is too clear. Let me show you in 30 minutes for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in 30 minutes, my friend, it shows something different. As you see it, we are at the overbought area. And here, those candles, what they showing? Let me zoom them for the picture to be more clear to you. What those candles here they showing? They came here to the 200 moving average, and they give you like an inside bar, and that red candle which is going now, it's breaking, my friend, and even the volume down, it's spiking. Let's zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see it, my friend, but now let's zoom it like that. As you see it now, it's very, 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 very clear now. What you see in here and what you see in here in the volume. The red ones, they are bigger than the green ones. Not bigger, but big a little bit. So now let's see that red candle which is going now, that one. By the way, it's left for 20 minutes to finish. If the volume is going to come, like that, and to break the previous volume down, you're going to see Bitcoin fall down again, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So, as I tell it to you every time, don't buy when that indicator is it at the overbought, and don't sell when is it at the oversold. Buying it's being from here, from down here, yesterday and before yesterday. Today will have you take the profit, my friend. All those people they enter, me I'm talking here about day traders and scalpers. I'm not talking about long-term traders. Everything is too clear, my friend. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Us every day we put in 2 videos. If you be a subscriber with us, smash the like button and write for us a comment to help us to growing up more that channel. That's it for today's video, my friend. See you tomorrow. Bye for now, my friend.